Hey and welcome to Alpha One. I'm now going to trade a little more manually for binary option, and we are going to trade at pocket option today. So, talking about pocket option, I am this day giving away a super account. So, if you do have account from before at pocket option, close it down, okay? Because I will give you account where I give you 60% of my affiliate income. That means every time you're trading, you get 60% of what I should have got from your trade back to you. So it'll work as a cashback for you. So if you want account like that, make sure you sign up with the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also included in that link is automatically 50% bonus on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. But you need to close down your old account if you have old account, okay? Then I got that out of the picture. If you like this type of videos, help me out. Lately my videos are getting very few views. Looks like YouTube don't like this type of videos. So the way you can help me, see the video from start to finish, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification thing, because it's also about how many people from my subscribers go and see my videos, right? And also make a comment. Even if you don't have a question, just help me out, make a comment in the video. So now let's get to it and let's see how much we can make in this video. Then let's see what we can find of trades. I'll look here now. I see one right out of it. Let's make a $100 trade there, and we take it there. That was a nice entry. The reason for that we see that we are overextending a resistant area, and that is basically a trade for us. I can mark it for you here so you can see it a little better. You see here was a resistant. We got a overextended bar for that one. And now easy trade. So now we just need to count the timer till go to 0 and we can collect our money. And bam! There we got a win. So you can go see here now. We made $92 on that trade. Now let's continue. Now we see if we close above this line now, we are then going to change this over and make this yes. Then let's take it down there. And now we are going to use this one on a buy trade. Let's see. Depending the bar here now. How to see. I want to see him come down, retest in a proper manner first. Otherwise we just move on to another pair. Now let's see. No, I did not like it. So then we skip this one. Then let's move on and see what we can find. Now let's see what we can find. We will now continue. Up in this region here would have been quite good area to go in with a sell. You can take a look at that up here. Other than that, we start to see that we are forming a quite good one down here. So let's take one there also. I think around here would be nice. So that is the two areas I'm interested in right now. Let's just wait. Then I was empty for coffee. What to do now? Let's see. Would be nice if we could come down here again so we can get another. How much we'll get from this trade? We'll get $92 here also. That would be sweet. So once again, make sure you take advantage, because just today I'm giving away this super account, so you can make yourself some extra money while you're trading. Even I don't have an account like that, just so you have an idea. I don't have a so good account. So make sure that you take advantage, because I'm not allowed to make an account like this for myself. So you will have a better account than I have myself. And if I had the possibility to make an account like this, I would have gone in right away. I would withdraw all this money to my account, and I would reopen and put everything back on the new. Because to get money back every time you're trading, that is something special. And that makes, if you are trading today and you're making just a little profit, then this will help you make a little more. Okay, so really take advantage of this offer I'm giving you right away today, because this will change you maybe from a medium to a little better, you know, and you can then start to scale your trading a little. So take advantage. So now let's see. We were very close to trade here, but you see he never came down. I think I'll move it just a little more. I think I was a little greedy to take it too far down. So this time around, if you come down again, I will take it on this line. So you see, the strategy is so simple. We are just trading support and resistance. That's it. Support, resistance. We don't need all these lines that are going over and crossing the line. If that and that happen, yeah. all this rubbish you find on YouTube. All this everyone try to find their own super magical indicator thing that can predict if you're going to make money. Rubbish. Don't use it. You'll lose money. Just trade support, resistance. That's it. It's so simple. Because most of the time he will stop in support and resistance. So, of course, I will never tell you that you will win 100% of the time, but you win more than you lose. And as we're receiving 92%, we are doing good. Talking about good, now I'm ready to go in. And I'm not greedy, I take it there. I got a good entry, I like it. So there we got the entry. So if we win this one now, we are making another $92. So till now looks nice. Now let's see. That was too close to comfort. Let's take one more. So you see we can lose, and I'll take one more if we go a little more down. So you see, I can lose. I'm not showing you all my winners. I will take one more down also. There. And that's it. Now let's see how this turns out. So, bang. That was one. And let's see the next. Just to see, I'm not just showing you my winners. Sometimes this can happen, but just stick to our rule, you see, and there. Two more trades, and there you have it. So you see we got one losing trade here. So basically, in the trades I've shown you here now how simple this is. You can see we have spent 400, so let's take minus 400. And we got in 192 plus 192 plus 192. We have made a profit of $176 just by trading the trend, not the trend, the support resistance. Okay, it's that simple. I'm now looking through a little other pairs. Got a little reboot of the screen here now. Problem, I'm running too many things at the same time. So I think we call it quit here now. let's take a look at the trades I done today, just so we can have a look at that. Let's choose we can take yesterday first. So yesterday I had a profit day of $436. I'm pretty happy with that. And for today, let's take a look there. We have a trading profit of 215. Not crazy much, but I'm happy with it. So let me see if all trades are here, by the way. Yeah, I think so. Can be that you don't count this one, but I think everything is here now. So pretty happy with that. So that's how easy you can trade binary option. Now, once again, I know I'm repeating myself, but I need to say it. Make sure you take advantage of what I'm giving you. I give 60% of my affiliate income back to you. Close your old account, open with a new link below, okay? And also, if you want to see my screen, you are welcome to do that. Right away, you have joined under my affiliate program, because I still will make 40% of your trading. So when you have to sign up there, you and me can trade together, okay? You can write with me, and I'll explain if it's something, if you have problem with something, I will, because I trade basically live every single day, okay? So other than that, what more to say? Seems like YouTube tells me that this video you see up there right now, it's one you like. So make sure you see it. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you more tomorrow.